Good morning, this is Fiorella, Sonia, Maria, and Jose from anyhousecleaning.com, and today they hire us to clean the windows, remove the screens like it is, clean in and out, and we have all our equipment. Stay tuned, okay? Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com, 407-572-4118. So the condition of the window is like this. We're gonna clean really good everything in and out, and also we are gonna dust all the blinds. Beautiful view in Davenport, Florida. So the first step, they already removed the screens, cobwebs. Really professional window cleaning don't do the blinds, but since we are a multi-service cleaning services, we do the blinds. Check it out. This is a yellow cloth. Just like give you the proof how dusty is the blinds. This is a senior couple, and they want to remove all the dust as possible to improve the indoor air quality. So this is the technique, using two hands, so in order to be more efficient, and the yellow cloth. If the situation or the blinds are in really bad shape, pet hair or something like that, because this is not pet hair, this is really dust, and there is no grime. The blinds itself is clean, it's just dust. So I think that's the best way to do it. So now Jose is screen washing the screens. In the meantime, Maria is in that desk area cleaning the blinds. After the blinds, she is gonna clean the frame of the window and the rail. After Jose finished cleaning the screens, we are gonna connect the pure water. After Jose finished cleaning the screens, we are gonna connect our DI filtration, 2 tanks, one and the little one that is under, and he's gonna do a water fed the outside windows, so it's gonna be clear with no spots. He's using right now some Dawn to put some soap, really cleaning all the screens. For all the sizes, really good. If you need our services, you already know us, anyhousecleaning.com. A couple just passed and they asked me for a business card. On my card, I don't know if you can see that red spot, you flip and you will find my business card over there. And I think that the best advertising to do when you are cleaning, because you're cleaning outside for many hours, people walk with their cars, and this community is for seniors. Del Web is called in Davenport, Florida. So we have many clients here. Actually, people that are up north, they moved to Florida because of the weather, and they enjoy. People from up north, they are used to clean more often the windows. I don't know why. So giving a bundle price will save them money. Right now, because it's a spring and it's a really good weather, we take less effort to clean and be outside doing the cleaning. For that reason, if you book us 2 service or more, you are discounting $100. It's a huge discount. And just the only fine print about this deal is you have to do it in the same day. Okay? So if you need your carpet cleaning, you can mix it with tile cleaning, or if you want your window cleaning, and then take the advantage of the blinds, that it takes a lot of time, and remove all the fine dust and improve your indoor air quality, call us 407-572-4118. Awesome weather in Florida. We are located in Davenport, close to Champions Gate, and we serve all Central Florida, from Orlando to Lakeland, Tampa, Dundee, Winter Haven, Winter Garden, you name it. Okay, free in-home estimates, 407-572-4118. So he's rinsing the frames really fast, just to make sure we don't leave any kind of residue or soap into the frames. Using a Dawn dish soap is a neutral cleaner, so in reality we are doing an extra step just to be safe and have our job impeccable. What he's doing, using a microfiber cloth to clean the frame, the metal frame or the aluminum frame, and then he tap the screen itself to remove any kind of water spots. He put it on the side. That's the procedure. This is the reason why you pay what you pay. Wondering what kind of system we are using? Two system DI, and this Anger has a TDS monitor. Right now the TDS get low until 4 TDS. The bulb is closed, so we are open, and maybe it's gonna lower to 2 or 1. So the windows are gonna be spotless. That's awesome. Extra steps that we do, since we are not just cleaning the window but also removing the dust from the blinds. She removed that little curtain from for the kitchen area. Jose right now is using our water fed pole system, a brush, to clean the windows really good, scrub, and then rinse with the same water fed system. You can see right now that the TDS is 5, it's below 10, so the water won't have any kind of spots. So this is the system that right now he's rinsing. When we brush, we put the brush on top of the glass and we scrub. But when we rinse, we just rinse with water. This system is awesome because of the sun. Especially there is a lot of sun, the windows are gonna be hot. If you put a Dawn or a cleaner, the cleaner is gonna dry really easy, really. TDS right now is in 3, sometimes it changed to 4, then they changed to 3, so it's between 3 and 4 TDS to really clean your windows. How you can see Jose is working outside. We didn't touch the window inside yet. Maria is dusting all the blinds one by one. That's a detailed dusting with the yellow cloth, and we use the water fed system with the brush. Any kind of paint he is scraping. The system is heat press the brush, soft brush, nylon brush. From the glass, he's scrubbing right now the glass or the window, and then he rinses. And the way he rinses, he take out the brush and just with the pure water he rinses. He's still brushing right now. He's still brushing. And now he's rinsing. a lot of cobwebs. Yeah, good. Yeah, just brushing. Sonia already used the vacuum to vacuum because she has something bad on her hand. She cannot use the two hands. So the best way that she clean the blinds is using a backpack vacuum with the nylon brush. After she remove all the dust, if you can see any kind of a spot, if she see any kind that is creamy, something like that, she's using a product, put it on the microfiber cloth and do a retouch on the blind. This is Florida. I love the weather. He's bringing the equipment. So Sonia is using the backpack vacuum to vacuum all the dust. In the meantime, Jose is rinsing the glass right now, brushing. Then she spread the product on the frame. She used a microfiber cloth and clean the surface. We don't want to wet a dusty surface because it's gonna be mud. So that's the reason why first of all she used a brush to lose the dirt, then she vacuumed it, and then she used a cleaner, a window cleaner. It's a process, so she's cleaning inside and he will clean outside. Sometimes we're working a team of 2, other times depending what kind of job they request, we come in team of 3. So we speed the process and we can make this is one client. In the afternoon we have another client. Depending on the condition of the house, this client just hired us to do the blinds, the windows, in and out. I saw that this client what they really need and they didn't request is to clean the ceiling fans, and there is a lot of dust accumulated on the ceiling fans, and they are a senior couple that I'm gonna suggest to do that. I don't know if they wanna do it or not, but if they are gonna do it today, they're gonna save the trip, because we're already here. The sliding glass door is more dirty, so we put some soap to scrub really well the glass. In the meantime, Maria is doing inside while Sonia is still doing the blinds from inside. It takes more time for her because she has an injury in her hand. Scrubbing really well, and with the scraper he will scrape any kind of paint or anything that is need to be scraped. So this is the job from today, and you can check our services at anyhousecleaning.com or continue seeing many videos in our YouTube channel, that is Any House Cleaning in Davenport, Championsgate. Thank you. She's Georgia. Ooh, it's a princess. Already here, we already finished the window, the track, the blind. Already the client is satisfied. I suggest to clean the ceiling fans because it's dusty. She doesn't have to call another cleaning company and pay more just for the trip. We're already here, and since maybe it's gonna fall some dust into the carpet, so we are gonna vacuum as a as a thank you gift for her. My gift to her is, since she already she's gonna pay for cleaning the ceiling fans, as a courtesy, because we felt some dust. Our courtesy is to deep vacuum the carpets, the rugs, using our filter. So stay tuned when Jose starts vacuuming, and he will show me the dust that was accumulated in this. Going to recommend her maybe for next month if she's interested to steam clean the carpets. She already know that we are a really good service that we do, and we are proud of our job. So she's gonna be a reliable client. Low. Oh. So he's vacuuming all the carpet. And we're gonna show her the filter. Already moved the table, and this is just more than a window cleaning. This is something that the client is going to be really happy to improve the indoor air quality. He's going to move his sofa because he's King Kong. And we are using just one filter. This fan. She's vacuuming the floor. The windows came really good. You can appreciate more the view. She has a beautiful view. So it's gonna be more relaxing. You already feel how good is the house. You feel it when it's clean. Okay, we are finished. Thank you for hiring. We finished to do the window, the blind, the ceiling fans, and we are mapping the floor as a courtesy. Do you like the service already?
Yes, it was very thorough, very good. Lots of people, and they worked the whole time.
Will you recommend us?
Yes, I would.
Excellent. And how did you find us?
I saw a big sign. I think it was on 27.
The billboard.
And then I looked it up on the internet.
Okay, excellent. Thank you. I really appreciate it.